Major winter storm on the way here, causing major implications at rush hour. Most schools are closed, including mine, so I can bring you the latest details on what's happening with the 4 to 7-inch snowstorm at a very bad time here on a Friday morning in Wayland. So stay tuned, we're going to have some more clips. Snow continues to fall moderately to heavier into this time. This just gives you an idea of the road conditions. Folks really taking a slow go of it out here this morning. All the snow that we've had has accumulated on the roads and has not been plowed. Now it is fluffy. This gives you an idea. It's really fluffy snow, guys, but nonetheless, it's still causing major problems out here. Holy crap, it's snowing very heavily. About 2.5 inches so far. Just turned over to some heavy snow in Wayland. Here you can see where the heaviest bands of snow are here in southern Worcester County, moving off to the northeast and likely right over me. You take a peek outside here. This just gives you an idea of what it's like here as the bands make their way on in through. Heavy snow, picking up in intensity. Really nasty out here. Road conditions are horrific, folks. Just a total, not a blockbuster storm at all. Only about 6 inches now looking at in Wayland. But nonetheless, timing is horrific. Very heavy snow right now in Wayland. At least 1 inch an hour. Very impressive stuff out here, guys. Snow continues to fall heavily. We're going to go out there for another measurement now to see how much snow so far. It's been snowing since about 5 in the morning, so let's see what we have. Wow! Already 4.5 inches. Very impressive. So Wayland is one of the areas getting affected more by the storm as opposed to other areas. Again, guys, very heavy banding over our region right now. Very impressive. This path I shoveled just a little over an hour ago, probably about 1.5 hours ago, is now covered over with snow again. Haven't seen much blowing snow, but that is probably going to be coming later this afternoon. Still falling very heavily in Wayland. Snow has been accumulating very deep from the last few storms. Now approaching 5 inches already. Looks like at least 6 is going to be our storm total, probably 6 or 7. That was awesome. Going out for yet another measurement now. Looks like some more snow's accumulated here. Here goes. And we have 6 inches in Wayland. Exactly 6. Pretty crazy stuff, guys. Continues to snow at over 1 inch an hour. Probably going to be looking at around 7 inches, maybe 7.5 inches total. So my 4 to 8 inch forecast ended up verifying quite well. 10:45 a.m. in the morning right now. Late morning, and the snow is still falling and accumulating moderately, but most of the really fierce snow is shut off for the most part, but visibility is still pretty low. I'm going to go out for another measurement here, see how much we've had fall. And here it comes. It looks like 7.5 inches, which is pretty amazing. Likely, obviously, we're ending up verifying on the higher end of my 4 to 8 inch forecast. There's 8 inches right there. And again, we're just below that, about 7.5 inches. Pretty impressive storm, guys. You won't see too many of these per season. Only in New England. About 11:45, late morning here. Sun actually wants to peek through the clouds. We're still getting a little bit of light snow here. This is going to be probably our last measurement, because I'm not expecting anything more than like a dusting of additional accumulation. Let's see how much we have here, guys. It's basically final. That's 8 inches of snow. That'll be a final total in Wayland of 8 inches. That's what I just measured. Gotta measure again over here. I gotta clear this off too. Alright. Yeah, looks like we had about 8 inches fall, which is amazing. The 4 to 8 inch forecast verified, at least here in Wayland. Now looks like the sun's gonna come out, and a possibly major storm coming up next week. Of course, details on that will be at stormtopia.com. So certainly stay tuned.